Welcoming Haryana to the stage. Thank you so much, Anna, for joining us on this auspicious evening. Also welcoming our young artist, Vishnu Sai, onto the table, on the stage, on the tabla. Requesting Prashant, brother, to support on the keyboard, and brother Siddharth Sai on Dholak. Thank you, Anna.
Om Shri Sai Ram. Pranams at the lotus feet of beloved Bhagavan. Pranams to all the representations of Swami who are sitting in front of me. Pranams to my parents, grandparents, all the people who taught me how to live in ground level. Mata nasti, pita nasti. But Swami has been as mother and father who has been residing from within and guiding. A very, very special thanks to my younger brother Ramana. I know him from 7th standard, as he told. When he spoke, I feel that I shouldn't have come to the stage because I know him from childhood, a great thinker. And today, I am here. Happy Makara Sankranti to every one of you. My Makara Sankramanam started in Malleshwaram in Bangalore when I didn't know Swami at all. 1975, from Kuppanna Mama's house, though 62, I have seen Swami in Malleshwaram ground. But after knowing, growing up, it is 1975, Malleshwaram only changed my life. And incidentally, when I was doing bhajan in Malleshwaram in 1978-79, the bhajan used to be held in Vidya Mandir school in 11th class opposite to Krishna temple. This many years Samiti was elsewhere, and again the Samiti has been changed to Vidya Mandir, and Swami has made me come here. Shows it is divine plan. Where you start, where you end is same, never different. Because you are starting with Swami, ending with Swami. So places also it will be like that. Wherever you start, you have to come there. And Swami brought me to Vidya Mandir. And the greatest thing is, nobody can compose anything, nobody can do anything. All of us are activating ourselves in some form or other in this world. It is because of the power of Swami, be it young, be it old, whatever we are, Swami is making us to be in that state. It has got nothing to do with us. We don't have to think we are doing anything because He is the power and love behind everything. So we are in that. There cannot be any, we cannot claim that we can do this, do that. Otherwise, where is Ramana from Erode today? Why should he come to Bangalore? Each one of us, Siddharth, when he was with Swami, I have seen, see, today I am able to sit with him, Venkatraman, each one of them. Anant, I know him for 35, 36 years. Each one of you, Malleshwaram Samiti, I know every member in Malleshwaram Samiti because I am from this center, Malleshwaram. Till now in Bangalore, nobody has asked me to tell the background of bhajan compositions. And today Swami has arranged in such a way, the place I started, nowhere in Bangalore, nobody has asked. And first time, it is here in Malleshram. Ramana is saying, Anna, please tell at least few bhajans, because if I start telling the experiences of bhajans, then I think we have to sit from today, this Shivaratri, next Shivaratri, then we have to keep on sitting, and that's not possible. And in Swami's thing, time limit is always there, so we have to, whatever little we are able to share, it should be from the heart. And from the heart means you have no right over your tongue. It is Swami who talks through you, Swami who hears through others' ears, Swami who is making all of us dwell in that love of divinity at this point of time on a wonderful day, Makar Sankranti day here. That's the biggest thing for me. Anandamaya Bhagwan was the first ever composition. Our house was in 15th class, West Cross, Malleshram. That day, Venkatesh, Lakshman's brother, had come home. KG Kumar, one tablis, he had come home. Somebody was humming some song. Suddenly, the song is coming. From that, the song started. After I joined Swami's college, Swami always used to ask, during Shivaratri bhajan or Akhanda bhajan or any functions, not only me, Swami made few of us students to compose bhajan, because there used to be composers who used to come and sing. Big composers. Debnath Mukherjee, Prabhat Banerjee, Delhi Nagaraj. Like that, so many composers, Swami will give chit and then he will make them sing, and they will sing their new bhajan straight away on a birthday or a Shivaratri day or a Akhanda bhajan day. No practice. We won't have clue of what they are going to sing. Today we say it's a new bhajan. God's name is ancient, Sanatana. There is nothing new about God's name. We can never term any bhajan as new bhajan, because already God has created in the air and He is putting through some physical body. Yes, let this song come through Him. It comes through Him. But the name will go to Him, name will go to Him, name will go to Him. But it is already in the cosmos, which is entering at the right moment. According to situation, it enters and then it comes out. Credit goes only to Bhagwan. There is no composers in the world. Any music director in the world, it is cosmic, universal blessing of the Lord Almighty which enters them and they become that popular. If each one of us start thinking about life's happening, we know very well we are able to lift our hand because of Him. We are able to talk because of Him. We are able to walk because of Him. We are able to do everything because of Him. Swami says, Jiva is there, you are Shiva. If it is not there, I don't have to say it today. So it is His power. What is this sadhana? Hariharan, as a boy of village, came to Bangalore. Is he devoted to Swami? No. Swami's love pulls him. Swami's love has pulled every one of us who are sitting here. I don't think we found God. God found us. He brought every one of us because He knows very well these are all souls which can be easily cultivated and brought to the fold. And then through that, His love should be spreading throughout the world, universe. That is the purpose for which He has brought every one of us. When He has brought every one of us like that, what we have to do? Nothing. Just surrender to that power, that love. Don't have to think specially new to create anything new. Nothing. the more we drop everything, less luggage, more comfort. Easy to travel towards Him. Very easy to travel towards Him. And this is what I found. I came, started something here. It is Swami's blessing. He gave college admission. Join as a student. In a nutshell, I want to tell before talking about composition, what Swami's name can do. He took me to his college. Many of the students have gone there. I am also one amongst them. What is my talent? Zero. My study knowledge, my educational talent is zero. My intellectual knowledge, zero. So number of zeros are there just because Bhagwan is standing in the front. Today, whatever we are, it is because Bhagwan is standing. We are multiple zeros, that's why our value is too high. Because he is standing in front. So I would like to say more and more zeros to be added. You can say, I am this, I am that, everything 0, 0, 0, 0. Why I say that? So that I become more powerful because he is with me. This is the logic. Humility is not a qualification, that is the basic requirement of a human being. Be your natural self, because you know very well, your past janma karma, you have taken birth and you are here. And this janma, we are fortunate, we know Purnavatar. We have lived with him, we have seen him, we have touched him, we have talked to him, we got all the blessings, whatever we are required. Where is the point of thinking in our life? Where is the worry in our life? For what we have to think in this world? Nothing. I am not talking philosophy. I am talking my life. When I was studying in Swami's college, Swami suddenly bring me up, says, play harmonium. You can't say no. Sing. You can't say no. Swami, I don't know this, I don't know that. Who are we to say that? When he has selected you, you just have to surrender yourself. Blabber anything to him, he loves you so much. You are somebody very unique in the creation of God. Not because you have knowledge, not because you know anything, just because you don't know anything, you become very unique. I have shared in my life, I am a rank holder, I say. When I say rank holder, people say, oh, they didn't introduce me as a rank holder. I say I am 9th rank holder. There were only 9 students. Even if I would have been failed, I am a rank holder. In God's kingdom, you are very special. In Swami's kingdom, we are all very, very special. What silence and empty heart can carry you forward in your life? Nothing else can forward you in your life. The more thinking, it becomes abstraction. The less thinking, you fly, you travel. So he brought me as a student, made me sing bhajan, made us compose bhajan, lots of students, made us do so many things. It's for to know that composition to be known by others? No. You sing in front of Swami, it is that you are a singer, so you sing in front of Swami. No. You are nobody. God in his celestial world, he has listened to the best of Naradas. Why should he come down to this planet Earth and listen to us? He wants us to evolve to that level of Narada. Except his name, our mind doesn't go anywhere else. For that only, Sunday bhajans, Thursday bhajans, Saturday bhajans. It's not that we come to center and sing, today I am singing this bhajan. No. You are given an interview and appointment with Swami separately to you and your Swami, nobody else. So when that is the case, then what is life? Studied there, sang there, loved by Swami so much. God blessing to that level, he told, Wherever you go, I am there with you, I am behind you, I am above you, I am always with you. After getting that assurance, do we have the strength to carry on? Come down again back to Bangalore. Then you study something, you work something, what he tells you, you forget that. In my life, he told, when I was leaving to Bangalore, he asked me, what are you going to do? I told, I'm going to do computer science. Oh, padapotunnava, are you going to sing? ఒక్కసారి లేదు, రెండుసారి లేదు. ಒಂದ್ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೂರು ಸಾರಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Oh, are you going to sing? I didn't understand. Because man, when he is getting educated and he using his brain, he refused to hear God's words inside his ear because he thinks he is greater than God. After getting the blessing from God, I forgot what Swami told. He told me thrice, are you going to sing? I told, no Swami, computer science, computer science, computer science. He told, manchika velli paadira. I didn't even realize. I thought, I am brainy enough, joined Indian Institute of Science, got some certified course. After that came out, worked in Smith, Klein and French, and then for 3.5 years, for no reason, January 8, 1989, after my marriage, suddenly the mind says, resign the job, go back and sing only God's glory. Now married, on the family way. I didn't think if I leave the job tomorrow onwards, who will protect me? Nothing. The command from the heart is leave it. Today to say it very easy. That day, to do that, you can all think in present situation. But I never thought about it because I never thought about myself at any point of time in my life. Never. I thought today means morning anyhow sun is rising, night anyhow it is going to become dark. Anyhow somehow food will come, somehow you have to sleep, you have to get up, you have to do something or the other. With purpose or without purpose, human being keeps on doing. So I had that faith. The Creator is there. Why should I think at all in my life? So I left my job. I want to first share experience from Malleshwaram swimming pool extension, then I will proceed further. This I have talked in many places, but today just to refresh, especially a tribute to Malleshwaram Samiti, I am sharing this. I was in swimming pool extension. In olden days, I used to attend bhajan in Krishna Dhama. I used to attend bhajan in this Vidya Mandir and go to Rajaji Nagar, Basaveshwar Nagar, anywhere anybody calls for bhajan. It's not that I go to their house, go for bhajan time, sing and get out. Never. If you invite me to come for bhajan in your house, you can make pretty sure whole night is gone. Means dinner is your responsibility. I will keep on singing bhajan. After the bhajan is over, share with people. Chandrasekhar from Vrindavan, they all know because they have sat with me whole night. And Nanda Gopal, Whitefield lecturer, in his house I'll go, have puliyodara in the night. And then sing whole night. That Namasmarana went on without my knowledge. It's not I sing or anything, but that vibration went on and on and on. Because of that, I was numb to the world's feeling. Though I am a married man, how I am going to eat? Everyone was freed in the world. I was not, because my God is with me. I got a baby girl in 1989. I was in swimming pool extension. 8th May. Wife has gone to Palghat. I am supposed to go there for the Namakarana. Job is not there. 1989, January 8th, I left my job. I don't like to go and ask money from anybody, because when you are God's Ghulam, to whom else you should show your teeth and say, I don't have money, please give me money? Never. So I thought, if it is destined, I will go for Namakarana. Otherwise, child has taken birth. Somehow somebody will keep the name and it will grow. Tradition is one side. Another side is whether you are capable, God permits you or not. I didn't. I was not supposed to go because I don't have train fare charge, nothing, then going there expenses. I thought, okay, I will relax in Bangalore, sing few more bhajans. So when that was there, suddenly one of the devotees who comes to me and say, I am not naming for certain purposes. He comes and says, Hari, you got a child, you have to go to Kerala. I told, yes, if I have to go, I'll go. Then he is coming straight and giving me in my hand money. You go immediately to Kerala. I never even planned. It comes to me and I go to Kerala. When I was going in the train, I was sitting and the train's rhythm and my emotion with my dear Bhagwan as Prana Sakha. He is not just a friend. He is a friend on the spot, help. Sai mera, tum ho sahara. You are my only Sahara. Who are you? Shirdi Avatara Sai Partipuri Bhagavan. You are my only support, avatar of Shirdi, my Partipuri Bhagavan. That's why in that bhajan comes as Sai Mera. He is personalized. Each one of us. He is ours. Individually. Krishna was there for every gopika. For each one of us, he is with us. It's not one Satya Sai Baba for all of us. No. For each one of us, like Krishna, he is there. That's why Sai Mera. तुम हो सहारा शिरडी अवतारा साई परतपुरी दीनों के तुम प्राण सखा प्रभु Deenon ke tum prana sakha Prabhu. For the people who are in distress, you are the dear friend who is on the spot helping. Mere sai mere sai Baba Partipuri Bhagavan. Swami told me Tyagaraja never composed. He conversed with the Lord. So it is not composition, it is conversation. My God, when you are with me, when you are my Prana Sakha, where is the question of my worries, my thinking, my anything? Nothing is there. There is no Hariharan. Hariharans are namesake one body, sitting on the stage and blabbering. It is His love, His power, which brought every one of us, doing everything for us. Are we grateful every day that He is giving us? He has kept us. Anybody suffering for food? No. Anybody suffering for want of stay? No. All of us have got everything. What else we are looking for in our life? Even if there is nothing, we have God. We cannot say, I don't have anything. I have God. When I have God, everything is there with me. When you have God, everything is there with you. Absolute blessed life. All of us are having. Nobody can say, I am not blessed. Because so much, every one of us are blessed so much. So this song's background was there way back in 1989. Like that only every song. I won't keep on saying from that time composition. It was once I went to Thiruvannamalai. I went with my friends. After going there, I never felt like talking to anybody. After sitting for 3 days in Maunam and returning back from Thiruvannamalai, I felt I am getting separated from my Lord. So I turned back looking at that Arunachala and I was crying, weeping. The friends who were sitting in the back seat of the car, they didn't know for what I am crying. I was crying. That is the time the song comes. Shivam bhavatu kalyan Arogyam Sukha sampatam Dushta buddhi vinashaya Dipakaya Namo Namaha Dipakaya Namo Arunachala Shiva Arunachala Shiva Arunachala Shiva Aruna Shiva Arunachala Shiva Arunachala Shiva Arunachala Shiva Aruna Shiva Arunachala Shiva Arunachala Shiva Arunachala Shiva Aruna Shiva Akshaya Linga Atmalinga Akshaya Linga Atmalinga Akshaya Linga Atmalinga Akshaya Linga Atmalinga Tejomaya Vigrahalinga Tejomaya Vigrahalinga Tejomaya Vigrahalinga Sukadayaka Isha Iha Para Sukadayaka Iha Para Sukadayaka Isha Iha Para Sukadayaka Iha Para Sukadayaka Iha Para Sukadayaka शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुण शिव अक्षयलिंगा आत्मलिंगा तेजोमय विग्रहलिंगा इह पर सुखदायक ईशा इह पर सुखदायक पर सुखदायक साई इह पर ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः हरि ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः Looking back at the hillock, Arunachala, tears in the eyes, heart says, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Aruna Shiva. Who are you? In the competition of Shiva and Vishnu, Brahma and Vishnu, Shiva took that form as Akshayalinga, with no beginning, no end. So the word comes Akshayalinga, Atmalinga, O Shiva. How did you stand? Tejomaya Vigrahalinga. What is the duty you have been doing? By standing in the form of light, you are destroying the karma of everyone. Hara, destruction. So he gives for this word, Iha para sukhadayaka. Isha iha para sukhadayaka. I don't know Shiva, so Iha para sukhadayaka. Sai iha para sukhadayaka. That is the way this bhajan came. First time I went with my friends like that. Next time I went with one more friend by name Naresh Bala. Stayed in Seshadri Swamigal's ashram. Sitting quietly in the samadhi of Siddha Purusha, Seshadri Swamigal in Thiruvannamalai. Sitting there, absolute silence, there is no thought process, no thinking, nothing. No lakshyam, nothing, just maunam. Swami says, you can hear God's words in silence. And it was like that. When I was sitting in silence, heart says, Aruna Ramana Shri Gurudeva. Generally, Sai Bhajan, if we are going to compose, we will compose some Radhe Krishna, Krishna Radha, Raghurama, Sita Rama, Pattabhirama, Kodandarama, Devi, Daya Karo, Kripa Karo, Raksha Karo. But the word is coming, Aruna Ramana Sadguru Deva. Seshar, it's like as though, something is coming out. Very powerfully it is hitting the chest, saying that Aruna Ramana Shri Guru Deva, Sesha Ramana Sadguru Deva, Bhava Bhaya Harana Shri Sai Deva, Guru Hai Sat Chit Anand Deva. I never thought this bhajan will come out. I thought that day I returned to Bangalore. I taught few students who came home. I didn't realize why that tune, why that word. Because you don't think about meaning and compose. You don't think about tune, you don't compose. If you sit and compose, you can keep harmonium and you can compose 100 bhajans on the spot. But it won't be from the heart. When it is flowing like that, I was wondering why God gave this. Why did Swami give this Aruna Ramana Shri Guru Deva, Sesha Ramana Sadguru Deva, Bhava Bhaya Harana Shri Sai Deva, Guru Hai Sat Chit Anand Deva. After the bhajan came, after when I taught the students, I was pondering over. Then I understood Aruna is crimson red, stands for revelation, stands for ultimate realization. Aruna Ramana, Ramana who is enlightened is Shri Gurudeva. Seshadri Swamigal who is a Siddha Purusha who protected Ramana and guided him. Sesha Ramana. The Seshadri who is attached to Ramana is Sadgurudeva, who is my Sai. Bhava, Bhaya, Harana. For all of us, the fear of life, he destroyed it. I don't think any of us are worried about our life. Are we fearing our life? No. How did he destroy? Nothing. One smile from far away. We think, yeah, Swami smiled at me today. Because our prayer when we sit in darshan, Swami, please give some signal, a smile, or a abhay hasta, or something you do, or drop a kerchief. We do all this prayer. But from far away he looks, there are 50,000 people in that line. But when he smiles, that is God. Because he is with every one of us. So each one of us take, yes, Swami smiled at me. Swami gave a beautiful smile. We come back to Bangalore in that same thought process. We don't know where our whole travel is so beautiful. We don't even think that we are sitting for 3-4 hours in bus or car or anything, because that smile is from Kalatita. So it has made us also Kalatita. So, Bhava Bhaya Harana Shri Sai Deva. Ramana Maharshi came, left his body. Seshadri Swamigal came, took his samadhi. Swami too, as Purnavatar, came, and then he left his body. So where is that Guru? Are we not talking about Swami today? Are we not thinking about Swami today? Are our heart are not crying for Swami today? Why? Because he is here. So the real Guru is Sat, Chit, Ananda, truth, existence, bliss. This is the background of that composition, Aruna Ramana. Why I share this? I won't call it this given by God. Why I share this? When we are singing that bhajan, then we think about it before bhajan, not during bhajan. During bhajan, no thought process. Dhyan Guru
गुरोः पदम् मन्त्रमूलं गुरोः वाक्यं मोक्षमूलम् साई कृपा अरुणारमण श्री गुरुदेवा अरुणारमण श्री गुरुदेवा शेषारमण सद्गुरुदेवा Sai Shiva, most compassionate Lord. Be as Lord Shiva, be as Sai. In olden days, one composer composed a bhajan. If I am right, it is Dr. Kalyan Chaudhary, Sadguru Brahma Vishnu Maheshwara. In 1960s, the composition, Hindi composition with strong words. It says Sadguru Brahma Vishnu Maheshwara, Sri Satya Sai, Sada Shiva Shankara, Amrita 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 दान करे आप आलाहल पान करे. See that composition. What he has. Those days he has written, you keep on giving immortal nectar and happiness and joy and bliss to everyone. We all go and give, Swami, my health is not okay. Swami, my daughter has to get into medical seat. Swami, my son needs promotion. Swami, my loan should be cleared. We give Visha. Vishya is Visha. Imagine God comes with so much love and giving us so much love. We are not accepting. We want love from Him, and what in turn we are not grateful for that love. We go tell all our complaints to Him. Amrita Amrita daan kare, aap alahal paan kare. Bhava bhaya jaladhi thar kare sab. That is Lord Shiva. One day I was sitting and thinking about Amrita Mantana. Karunamaya. Lord Shiva, Karunamaya. Everyone wants immortal nectar. They start churning. Any good work we start doing, initially there will be big disturbance. We cannot do that. If you want good result, undergo that suffering. The moment you come out and the moment you get a job, the moment you get married, Swami, keep me very prosperous, let me not suffer, let my wife and children not. Hare, I want you, I want you, I want you, give me that strength, I hold on to you. That should be our prayer. Not all this external stuff. And invariably we all pray like that. Little difficulty. When we are fantastic, happy and superb, there is no God existing for us. We are the ultimate power on this planet Earth. We will say, yes, what do you want? That's the way we talk. Swami will come near us and put his head down. We will be sitting down. Swami, he comes down, puts his head. Emi? Manchidi Bangar. Swami ఆశీర్వాదం ఉంది. తీసుకో ప్రసాదం. పాద నమస్కారం తీసుకో. Comes down. Imagine how many lakhs of people he has touched. How many lakhs of people here? Is it possible? If you say Swami is avataram, what is the proof? Proof is that lakhs of people have got personal experience. Now, I can only cover 10 people at a time. And I can cover, and what all I am a failure, I will hide all those things and say it as success for others. But he is Gunatita, Rupavarjita, so he gives that type of love. With that power we get everything cured, our mental illness, physical illness, everything and come. So this Amrita Mantana, coming back to the story, initially Alahala Visha is coming. All of you know this story. When it is coming, all the Devas wants Amritam. All the Asuras also wants Amritam. Nobody wants anything other than that. The moment poison, they never expected. This poison is going to come. When it starts coming, everyone runs helter and skelter and then go to Lord Shiva and pray. You are, please, Daya Karo. somehow you should see to it we are protected. All devas, including Brahma and Vishnu. Brahma and Vishnu also goes. That is how in the world also, all the avatars, if you see, they gave bliss to every human being, but they always took the suffering of all human beings on themselves. And Lord Shiva says yes, and then he takes the poison, which all of you know. Once after that, when everything came, Lakshmi came, Vishnu took, Airavatam and Uchishravas came, Indra took. Like that, everyone took all the best possible thing from that Amrita Mantana. When Amritam came, also everyone partook that. After that went to Devaloka, dance, music, festivity, enjoying the life, heavenly life. Totally forgotten Lord Shiva, who gave that opportunity to survive and get that immortal nectar. Human beings, we are no way different from that. God has given that to us. Many a time we forget that. Totally lost. Then slowly one day we will realize and come. Same way these devas also one day came and then to Lord Shiva, all of them, oh my God, we have not thanked Lord Shiva. They came to thank Lord Shiva. Shiva Hara Hara Shiva Shiva, that's all they are saying. Shiva was so happy. Oh my God, they remember me. Suppose if somebody has taken help from me, that fellow by mistake he has not told thanks. And if you have forgotten for 3 days, not more, and then calls me, oh Hari, I am really sorry, I should have thanked you a lot. I say, it's okay. Keep the phone down. Here Lord Shiva, the very fact, because I remember this, when we alumni go for New Year, out of 20,000 students, 500 students will go for January 1st to see Swami, which I am not going even now. But I have gone few times. So many of us have not gone, only 500 must have come. On 30th evening, Swami will call Chakravarti and tell, my students have come with family. Give them the best rooms. Give them the best food. Give them this, give them that. That is Lord Shiva, Sai Shiva. He doesn't think, oh, these fellows don't even come whole year and only once in a year, that too only 500 of them out of 20,000. He is totality. He sees everything as totality. He doesn't see. It's we see. In a tumbler, oh, this people's house I went, they gave only this much. That is our buddhi. Whereas God sees totality. Purnamadah purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevashish. He sees the totality, so he is so blissful, happy. He gives us interview, he talks to us, he gives us pada namaskar. He does everything for us. So here Lord Shiva also, the moment when they say, Shiva Hara Hara Shiva Shiva is so happy, forgives all the mistakes of Devas, goes in between Nandi's hands and start dancing. Dim, dim, bhaje, vadya, mridanga. Vadyas are playing. Dim, dim, bhaje, vadya. Nache, Shankara, Shiva, Hare. Ghana, 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 ghanta, bhaje. Nache, Shankara, Shiva, Hare. Shiva, Hare, Shiva, Hare. People are praising Shiva, 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 Hare. Today, incidentally, it is Pradosham. This is the day Lord Shiva danced first time. His cosmic dance was on Pradosham. Whoever thinks on this day, Lord Shiva, all the papa karmas are removed. Today, Swami has given us the opportunity to think about him in this way, so he forgives all our unwanted stuffs. Let us meditate on this song. Sing with all the power of Lord Shiva, so that from our heart and mind everything is thrown away. Shiva, 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 Hare. Shiva, 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 Hare. Hara, 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 Shiva, Hara, 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 Shiva, Shiva, Hare, Hare, Shiva, Shiva, Hare, It is Lord's intervention in our life. Through Hariharan, he will do different things. Through all of them, he does different things. Through all of he does different things. In my childhood, the devotion was fed by my grandfather. Incidentally, my grandmother Swami Shivananda Saraswati. They are like brothers and sisters. In olden days, one house they used to live. There is nothing called cousins. Nowadays, own brothers are far away. My life, my wife, my children. Then later, I separate, my wife separate, my children separate. The world is going towards that. A great tapasvi, my father's father, his father, another great tapasvi, before leaving the body, 24 hours Ramanama Khanda Bhajan. Exactly 24th hour, last Ramanama, he left his breath, that is my grandfather's father. I had the good opportunity and blessing to be brought up by my grandfather, grandmother. We are 11 members in the family. 6 brothers, 5 sisters. At the age of 1.5, I was with my grandfather and grandmother. Swami used to comment on that. I was sitting in the veranda. Students whom Swami will talk, they were always made to sit in the front. Sitting in the front, that day, former president came. That time he was the president of India. Swami inquired, how are you, kaise ho, sab theek hai? Then he told, Swami, aapke Ashirwad, Swami. Then Swami, suddenly, Swami has his own way. Suddenly he picked me up, hey, come. Then I went near him. He asked before that to President, how is family planning announcement and things are going on? Swami, very good Swami, now it's everything is right. Acha? He asked. He told yes. Then Swami called me. बोलो कितने लोग हैं तुम्हारे घर पे? Then I had to tell Swami 11 Swami. Hey, how many boys, how many girls? Chappu. Then I told her 6 boys and 5 girls. देखा? बोलो फादर कहाँ काम कर रहा है? स्वामी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट स्वामी. देखो तुम्हारा डिपार्टमेंट का आदमी है. 11 क्या फैमिली प्लानिंग चल रहा है तुम्हारा? In lighter vein. So the thing is, Swami really picks on at right time, right topic. But we 11 children are very proud. Mother 16, at home my grandfather 17, already 17 members. Today 2-bedroom apartment, a 3rd guest is coming. We are looking out where to place them. Only 2-bedroom. We have to honor their privacy. What is this? Where we are leading ourselves to? There are all these people, we are there. Our hall is drawing hall in the daytime. Night time it is bedroom. It becomes morning time also, dining hall also. Everything is that. It's all our heart. And all the Malaysian boys used to come, they will sit. So cooking will go for 25, 30 people. She will do within 1 hour. She always went to help other people than taking care of the children alone. Take what this boy is doing, what that girl is doing. Never. Imagine that sannyasatva in Grihastha Ashrama. With 1 children and 2 children, we are so much worried. With 11 children, not even one day they worried. That is their greatness. Where from it comes from their elders. That type of souls, they are my grandfather. what was his duty? He was a retired forest range officer in Britishers' time. The day he got retired, from the time he was working, his heart will always say Ram, 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 Ram. All the time Rama, 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 Rama. After retirement, all the more, Rama will be there in front of him all the time. Any problem anywhere, never blame any human being. He will never blame anybody around him. He'll straight away tell, Rama, why are you doing like this? Come on, set it right. That is the command. That is the love. That is the faith. Only God, not anyone around. Here we immediately blame, say, I have been so good to him. I don't know why he is behaving like that to me. Are, your karma, yaar. You have done that karma. You are born to do good. And you are supposed to get bad only. Why don't we accept that? Why do we complain about that, individual human beings? Never complain. God has created us. He has a purpose for us. Accept everything. Then see how strong we are. We will be very strong because we have the strength of God with us. That should be the spirit, and that was what my grandfather was. All the time only Ramanamam. He will write Rama, 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 it will become Hanuman. He won't draw Hanuman, write Ramanama. So every Ramanama, I have few things. Crores we gave it to Mutt. So what I am saying, that was the thing. On a Ramanami day, he got up at 3:30 Rishi Muhurta, woke my grandmother up. Meenakshi, a huge personality, but voice is full of depth and love. Meenakshi, Rama has come. On a Ramanami day, early morning, it's like, Rama has come, put a chair. And my grandmother immediately brings a chair and puts for Rama. Nowadays, if you say this, they'll think this fellow yesterday was okay. Today something has happened to him. I don't know what all hallucination, my God, I have tolerated with him. I don't know how many more years I have tolerated him. But that is the type of wife who brings the chair and puts. And he says, Rama, sit Rama. After that, he says, Meenakshi, bring milk for Rama and me. Then she brought milk. We are nobody in this world. Whatever we are, it is because of our forefathers, we have to pay our gratitude. And also, Purnavatar came and reminded us how to be grateful. Otherwise we wouldn't have been. He came and told, Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, Veda Vakyas. But he re-established that. So here when he says, after getting the milk, he says, sing Ramashtakam. So my grandmother, very melodious wife, she said, Rama, 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 Namostute Jaya, Ramachandra, Namostute. She is telling, we are all singing with our grandmother that at the end of Ashtotaram, my grandfather on Ramanami day, he left his physical body that day. After many years, I was sitting at home, thinking with all gratefulness, such father and forefathers have lived. My father lived only with for Sai Rama. One Sai was attached. My grandfather lived only for Rama. So in that memory, it brought tears on a Ramanami day to me. And then he will always call, Rama, why don't you do? So the composition comes, Rama, Raghu, Rama, Rama.
तुम हो आत्मा राम। अंदर रामा बाहर रामा, घट घट वासी रामा, रामा रघु रामा राम, तुम हो आत्मा रामा, आत्मा राम, आनंद राम। जय 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 राम राम। For him it was andar Rama, bahar Rama, ghat ghat vasi Rama. When I am going to achieve this, can I see this within me, outside me, everywhere Sai Rama, or do I still differentiate? This purpose of Janma should be that Swami should bless us. Swami, I should see within me also you, outside me also you. Everywhere I should see only you. No blame on anybody, only love on everybody. I request all of you to sing with me this song. Rama Raghu Rama Ram, तुम हो आत्मा रामा, रघु रामा राम, रामा रघु रामा राम, तुम हो आत्मा रामा, अंदर रामा बाहर रामा, अंदर अंदर रामा बाहर रामा, घट घट वासी रामा, घट घट वासी रामा, रामा रघु रामा राम, तुम हो आत्मा रामा, Jaya Jaya Rama, Jaya 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 By keeping on singing the name of Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Shyam, Sai Shyam, what is that each one of us have achieved? Whenever Swami told when we studied in Swami's college, this Nama will make your life total. We are in normal mortal world with our own bindings and attachments and everything. But we are not caught in that. I am sure none of us are caught in that cobweb. By keep on reciting, I want to share what is the effect in our lives. I won't say it as my life. Ratte Sham, Sai Sham, Sai Sham. Ratte Sham, Sai Sham, Sai Sham. Ratte Sham, Sai Sham, Sai Sham. What happens? Tan Panchajanya Atma Shri Krishna. Bodies come out of 5 elements, but by reciting the name of the Lord, it becomes the Kancha of Krishna. Tan Panchajanya Atma Shri Krishna. Body has become Panchajanya. Our Atma is Sai Krishna. Now Tan is over, Atma is over. Man and Dhan are there. For a person who sings God's name all the time from the heart, what happens to him? Tan Panchajanya Atma Shri Krishna Man Vrindavan Kar Rasa Leela. Mind has got that chanchalta. It always search for something beautiful for it to get satisfied. But for person who sing God's name, mind is not wavering towards anything. Because we have become gopikas. Swami says, you are all gopikas. I am Krishna, he says. I didn't understand that time. Who is a gopika or gopa? Gopa or gopikas are the one who have won over all the sense pleasures of the world, are looking for the world's entertainment in them. That's why we call, one Alvar, Shata Gopa Alvar. He won the Vayu, Shata Vayu. When child takes birth on this planet Earth, it says, it cries. But Shata Gopa Alvar, when we took birth, he didn't, because that worldly air didn't affect him at all. The moment he opened his mouth, it was only jnana. So Gopa means winning over everything. And here, we are all Gopas and Gopikas. So our mind can only search where Lord is hiding. Oh, he was in front of me, he has gone. Swami will be giving darshan. Suddenly he will go behind the pillar. Then people will do like this, like this. Why should they? They already had darshan.
But still when Swami is talking to somebody near the pillar, they'll put their head to see where he is. Our manas only searches him. That's why Man Brindavan Karasali. Dhan is over, Atma is over, Man is over. Dhan. What is that? Dhan, we got it by singing his name. Dhan Shyam Rathan Payo Hamne. We got Shyam Rathan. How? Ratte Shyam Sai Shyam Sai Shyam. My dear fellow pilgrims, each one of us are here. We're all rishis. Never calculate ourselves as ordinary people. Swami has declared us to that level. I am God, you are God. When are we going to rise to that level? Still we want to look out for some other personality who is greater than us? Once when somebody told people worship stone as God to Swami, Swami told, if stone can become God, what about you? We have to understand. He has given us that love. He has actually raised us up to that level. Fellow pilgrims of Malleshwaram, make sure from tomorrow onwards, none of us shall even heart level complain about anything. We have actually, our body is so purified, mind is so purified, everything is purified. Still, where are we looking for shortcomings? It's purified. Say, I am pure. Vasanas are already burnt by Swami. I have nothing remaining in me. The day from tomorrow, each one of us, what a lovely, lovely satsangam we are having. Tell me how many people in this world are blessed to be in the dhyana of God. Some stories, some funny things, everyone can laugh. But in dhyana of God, only us, only Sai devotees. We weep, we cry, we go mad when we think about Swami. Because he has shown us how we should really pine for him, how we should really attain him. He has shown us the path. After that, where are we looking for? Nowhere to look. Each one of us are made of that stuff. First composition. After that, Subramaniam, I will sing with all your permission. Or with Om Shanti Shanti, I will sing. Anandamaya Bhagwan. I think this bhajan, though it came as a composition with no aim, but I think this composition took me to Swami's college, because He Karunanidhe Prabhu Saira Kripanidhe Dino Kipan Le lo mujhe Prabhu Sharan laga lo. The prayer was, take me at your lotus feet and make me a refuge at your lotus feet. After this composition, I became a student of Swami's college in 1970. The prayer is given by him. Praying attitude is given by him. And he himself establishes himself in us. We don't have to look for reason. The song, originally it was composed like this. Ananda Maya Bhagavan. It goes Anandamaya. So Ananda, we say Anand ka lehar. Lehar lehar se. So when we sing Ananda,
Anandamaya Bhagavan. Then we are addressing. Who is that? Who can give us Ananda? Only who is in Ananda, state of Ananda. How can Ananda be there? Only where there is love, there can be bliss also. So, Ananda Maya Bhagavan, He Prema Maya Bhagavan, He Prema Maya Bhagavan. Oh Bhagavan, Sai Bhagavan. Who is that Sai Bhagavan? The most important line. We used to sing this. He Satya Sai Bhagavan. This line is there. All of us together, I will sing. Anandamaya Bhagavan, He Premamaya Bhagavan. Anandamaya Bhagavan, He Premamaya Bhagavan. Oh Bhagavan, Sai Bhagavan. Satya Sai Bhagavan. Karunanidhe Prabhu Saiya, Karunanidhe Prabhu Saiya, Karunanidhe Prabhu Saiya, Prabhu Saiya, Kripa Nidhe Dino ke pran, Kripa Nidhe Dino ke pran. ले लो प्रभु मुझे शरण लगा लो, प्रभु मुझे शरण लगा लो। ले लो प्रभु मुझे शरण लगा लो। मुझे दया करो मुझे कृपा करो भगवान।
साई हर साई कृपा निधे के प्राण ले लो प्रभु मुझे शरण लगा लो मुझे दया करो भगवान मुझे कृपा करो भगवान भगवान हे माया भगवान सुब्रह्मण्यम सुब्रह्मण्यम षण्मुखनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम 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 साईनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम शिव 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 सुब्रह्मण्यम हर 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 सुब्रह्मण्यम ओम ओम शिव 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 सुब्रह्मण्यम हर 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 सुब्रह्मण्यम शिव शिव हर हर सुब्रह्मण्यम हर शिव शिव सुब्रह्मण्यम शिव चरवण भव सुब्रह्मण्यम दुर्चरवण भव सुब्रह्मण्यम ओम ओम शिव चरवण भव सुब्रह्मण्यम दुर्चरवण भव सुब्रह्मण्यम शिव शिव हर हर सुब्रह्मण्यम हर हर शिव शिव सुब्रह्मण्यम शिव शिव हर हर सुब्रह्मण्यम हर हर शिव शिव सुब्रह्मण्यम रख ले मेरे मन साई नाम से लगन जप ले साई नाम रात दिन कर ले नयन साई रूप से मिलन कर ले चरण कमल की नमन कर ले तू दुआ साईनाथ की कृपा मिल गया तो धन्य तू हुआ बन के तू चकोर बांध प्यार की डोर साईनाथ चंद्रमा की साईनाथ चंद्रमा की ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युंजय